teaspoon of oil, 6 to 7 dry red chilies, 3 garlic cloves, 1 small onion, add salt to taste. Add a sprig of curry leaf, 2 tomatoes, take out the red chili before it turns brown. 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 cup grated coconut, allow it to cool and then grind it. Add some water and bring it to a boil. For tempering, 2 teaspoons of oil, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds. Let it splutter. 8 to 10 shallots sliced. Fry them till it turns brown. 4 dry red chilies. Curry leaves, tomato coconut chutney ready.